Hi, Frank Rolek again, speaking to you about different training aspects. Now, earlier I talked about doing weight training where you would do weight training first and the aerobic activity afterwards. However, there are a few other types of training methods which also work very well. As a matter of fact, a lot of people feel that the functionally integrated training and using some aerobic activity in between sets can burn even 35% more calories than more of the old school methods like doing weight training and aerobic activity afterwards. With the functionally integrated training, what we try to do is to have multiple exercises and have movement. For instance, you can do a squat and row. You can do a squat and do some barbell curls and rotate and do some shoulder presses where you're using multiple movements. And these type of exercises burn a lot of calories, and it keeps that client moving. There are a lot of women who aren't interested in putting on a lot of muscle, and they really like this type of training. But also it's very important to do this type of training to correct the muscle imbalances that we talked about earlier. When you're having people standing or standing on one leg and doing movement in the exercises in all three planes with flexion, extension, abduction, and also doing rotation exercises, you're going to burn the calories, and also you're going to get that person to create a better balance and a stronger core. So I just wanted to mention that that's another way to do training, and that's something that a good personal trainer can help you with. Another way that we can train is to look at circuit training. After 40 years or 50 years of circuit training, there's still a lot of people out there who really like this form of exercise. It works great for athletes in season, so they're not lifting too heavy weights and possibly getting at risk for injury. And because you're doing aerobic and anaerobic activity together, it burns a lot of calories. And in this situation, you would have a bicycle and then a lower body piece of equipment, and then a bicycle and then an upper body piece of equipment, and you would do 1 minute intervals between each piece of equipment. So you're going from a bike for a minute to a lower body exercise to a bike, back to an upper body exercise, so you're keeping that blood flow going up and down throughout the body. And this is another successful way of mixing weight training or anaerobic exercise and aerobic exercise with the bike to get your clients results. And there are many other forms of exercise combining weights and aerobic activity that your trainer can create for you to make it a lot of fun and increase the amount of calories that you're burning and get the results that you're looking for. Thank you.